Pasensya na guys ha. Mag-ano kasi tayo, mag-adobo.
Close open. Close open.
Chick boy man ikong bana. Ay, gwapo kayo. Chick boy ka ne? Are you chick boy?
Good morning, Philippines! All these bird seeds growing up.
That's how you're feeding the birds out there.
Yeah. Yes, I'm here. I am here.
You don't brush your hair?
No.
You just came out from the shower, guys. Say good morning to them, be. As the intro of the game. Yeah. Say good morning.
guys.
Good morning.
Good
Say,
morning.
oh my God. Say, good morning, Vietnam. Sit. Good morning. Like that.
No. I like that.
Okay, say it. Like a little energetic.
I can't. You gotta yell it. I'm not ready.
Not yelling like
Yes,
this.
when you do it.
Good morning, Vietnam.
Have you ever seen it? Have you ever seen it, Joe? Good morning, Vietnam!
Hello, that's not loud. Guys, tignan nyo yung leaves. Okay, the mountain tree. It's changing, right? Yellow. And then my orange na doon. Red. And yeah, so it's changing color. Good morning, guys. Look at Roxy. Good morning. It's not really cold this morning, right? Look at Roxy. I like when she does that. Stand up, Rox. Stand up. Stand up. Lay in the railing. Go leaning on it.
Like she understands what you're saying.
She understands. She's smart. Oh, guys, yeah, I have a lot of oban. If you see me, my hair is not colored. So I let the oban, you know, I let the gray hair enjoy. And hindi ko sila pinaputol kasi I want my gray hair to enjoy while they're still there. Tignan nyo guys, oh look, tignan nyo.
Well, it's still there. Your hair are like bunny rabbits.
Yeah,
You
it's
just
not,
keep making more.
yeah, they're not, okay. Yun guys, gray hair guys. Let it go, let it be, let it be. You know, it's sparkly, it's like a highlights.
All the food that doesn't get done for the birds.
Complaining.
They need to get food.
See, hala.
Why are you trying to make her crazy?
Alam nila guys kung ano yung hala, parang may something ba. Hala. Somebody's over there. Hala. Alam nila yung hala. Hala, ni wakwak.
What?
Roxy, Misty, come here. Come. Hala, ni wakwak. Hala, Miss. Pinagtatawanan ako ni Tami kasi yung chinelas niya sinuot ko. Look. And magluluto ako guys. Yellow tayo ngayon dahil yellow yung light na naka-on dito sa gilid. Diba bumili ako kahapon ng chicken, rotisserie chicken doon sa Walmart. Masarap siya. Kaso parang hindi siya luto, yung malapit sa bones, yung pag sa legs, parang hindi siya maluto, parang hindi siya luto. So ang gagawin ko is I will cut it. Anuhin natin siya, adobohin. Yun. Biglagyan natin ng maraming garlic. Masarap kasi ito kapag adobo, diba? Pasensya na guys, ha? Mag-ano kasi tayo, mag-adobo. Meron pa akong adobohin na chicken wings. Masarap din yun. Pero ito iba kasi rotisserie. Mas masarap to. Dobling sarap. Dobling sarap. Wala, hindi man kasya, oy. Let me know, Han, if you're ready, okay? Han?
Yeah.
That I can watch it. If it's going to double up. Kasi ano siya. Ganituhin natin. Washing. Where is the other one? Where'd that go? Right here? Under? It's one, Han. Hi guys. Patinta na guys, patinta na. Nag-ano kami ng mga papilis guys. Mga importanteng papilis. Dapat anuhin. Kasi importante. Nagalibog na ako kasi ang daming mga dapat asikasuhin dito. Naglibog na ako. Look at that. He see the papers moving. Look at how cute he is. Allah is looking. Where'd that paper go? Like, where'd that paper go? Where the heck is it? How cute is that little man? Oh, Allah, look at that, guys. Allah, those cat. Allah, bug. He's confused. He's confused. You're so nosy, little man. That's it, bug. That's it. Get down now. Get down now, little. It's the cutest bug in the world. Come, let Mama hug you. Oh my God, you're so cute. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at how cute is this cat. Oh, I love you, bug. Yeah, it's in the bin. You're gonna go out now? I still need to eat. You still need to eat. I still have to go.
That's it. Come on.
Start wearing down, your tooth is going to look yellower, more dull. I recommend examples because it helps.
Go back to life now.
You went to your car and you didn't even brush your hair. Guys, tapos na guys. Well, actually, niluluto pa siya yun. Chicken, roasted siya, and then, diba? Yan, maganda siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng paper. Yan. Ang bango, eh. Kakain tayo isa, eh. Nagutom kasi ako at meron akong maraming pepper at saka garlic. Kain tayo nito. Marami pa akong cookie guys. Ang dami. So, bumili na naman. Show your beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Close open. Beautiful eyes. Han. Beautiful eyes. Han, close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close. Follow me.
I don't know what you're doing, huh?
Yeah, but just do it for me, please. Close, open. Okay, I'll hold your hand. I said close, open, close, open. That's how we talk a baby, honey. When we have a really infant, like an infant, that's how baby learn close, open, and open, close, open, close. Allah, that's really nice lights, son. That's. Maybe you need to put Sue in the outside. You know, this door side, the wall side? Yeah, porch, this wall side. We are out. Can I use my car? Labas kami, guys. Oh, well, I don't have a pen. So I guess we're gonna use your car. I don't have everything and you have to take everything out, sorry. No, let's just leave it there. What do you want me to do? Ride it now?
Don't see
I
it.
can. Okay, just drive. Oh, yeah, I can see it. Seems like it's rolling. Oh, they're harvesting apple. They have a nice apple over there, huh?
Let's pick some.
Yeah, it's not our apple. So, you know.
I'll see you.
Huh? They won't see me because I'm too short.
There you go.
They won't see me, guys, because I'm too short.
You need a big ladder.
And Tommy said, "Oh, the motion sensor light is not on. The sensors won't accept me because I'm too short."
I don't know. I walked in there and turned on.
Yeah, when Tommy walked in over there in the bathroom, we tried that light. It would turn on. Galore.
Maybe they thought you were a squirrel.
Squirrel, huh? I'm squirrel, seriously. I really like your cell phone holder, oi.
Wait, too late.
Huh?
Too late, mine now.
Huh, and I really like it. I know it's useful for you, you're driving all the time, but I went back over there, they don't have it.
No.
You get out of here if you don't get me.
20.
Yeah, 20 here.
20, that's right.
If you don't get my
That's
joke.
a 20, this is 30.
Yeah. If you get out of here, if you don't get my joke. Joke, no. We are heading out to pay.
Pee? Why not pee?
Yeah. To
Can't pee in the house.
pay the bills. Han, are you chick boy?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Chick boy man ikong bana, gwapo kayo. Chick boy ka ne? Are you chick boy?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Tommy's holder, guys. The first thing Tommy told me is, "Oh, your phone fit. It fits over there. Now you're going to steal it from me."
Like all my other stuff.
Han, I don't steal your stuff, Han. Why you say that? You're telling me that I stole something from you. Oh, Tommy, that's not nice. I never do that. Like you tell me what? Tell me. Don't me. Tell me. I don't steal it. You gave it to me. Some of your stuff. It's true, Tommy.
That's true.
He gave it to me. Whatever he gave it to me, I don't remember. Too many. Usually just gave it to me. Let me see if malive na ba ito, guys. Okay. Nag-running pa. Oh, look, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, running. Oh my God. What? Snow thing? Look at those Christmas tree.
It's a lot wider than
Oh my God, ang ganda. I really like it. Hi. I really like it. Guys, tignan nyo, guys. I like that white thing. Hold on, let me see. Oh, hala. Hala, I like this white. $200. And I do like that one right there. Oh my God, I like it. Tignan nyo naman yan, guys. Ang ganda. This is nice, but that one nice too. I like this one better. Hello, eh. Let's see how much over here. This is, I really like this one too, but look, it's Tommy. Uy, come. I like that one, but I really like this one also. Oh. $200. I really like it.
All white?
Yeah, I want all white.
That was Andy's mother always did. All white. All white.
Somebody took our cart. Tommy yelled at me. I'm not the... Because I was looking of what you're looking. My God, you yell at me really easy. Like, what the fuck? I'm not the one who's like taking all your cart. Somebody took it and he said, "Are you kidding me?" So loud, guys. Goodness. Are you kidding me? There's something wrong with my husband. He like yelling at me. This is what I like over here, guys. Oh, look at it. For our kitchen, the counter. This one, oh, right here. For the center thing.
Yeah. I've seen way nicer ones.
Drop thing. into the sky. Dun 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 dun. Here. Dito na kami sa
You
Walmart.
didn't have none, huh?
There's nothing yesterday. Catnip. Oh my god, he got like, oh my god.
That's what they
That's
got.
it.
3. Those other things that they really like, the pouches.
The pouch. I remember the pouch. Hala, it's right here.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, I like this.
for a
Look
turtle.
at that. Yeah, for turtle. You can put fish in it too.
No, it's not, probably not waterproof.
Oh, okay.
Well, I guess it is, because we got water in here. But
Look what happened. Don't block the thing. How much is that? Is that the price? Right here. No, right here. 129.
Yeah, but it comes with the filter, it comes with the light, comes with
Everything, even this,
yeah. Heater, light.
Binilhan ako ni Tami guys nito. Guys, tignan mo. Ito siya. 360 avatar. What? You cannot find what you're looking for?
No.
What are you looking for?
Ocean something like. I don't.
Can't find it guys. Okay guys, we cannot find yung hinahanap namin. So, punta na lang kami sa maghanap na lang kami ng jeans kasi yung kailangan you want
In the
to
home,
find.
look at the boxes that they stuck in here.
Okay. What did you do? What did you do? There's no price. They don't have it. Ganda nito. Ang laki naman ito. 3XL. Ang laki. Laka. Ang laki naman ito. Tingnan mo yan. Para saan ba to? Laka. Tami, what is this for? For work and for what? Look, ang laki guys, oh. Han, can you stand up with this? Close to it. It's bigger than you. Hmm?
There's a cover also. Insulated.
You have one of that.
No, these are insulated for the.
Okay, for winter. Look at this one.
Kind of like that.
I like that one, but look how small it is.
No, the sleeves are rolled up.
No, but this one right here is shorter. Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
And it's smaller to me, and the denim you're not getting.
Like this?
Yeah, I want you to wear
I
denim.
don't like the way it looks. It's
Why?
like crappy looking because I don't like it.
Oh my god.
Sound like this.
Which one? You have one of that.
This is denim, hon. I like this denim better than that crap.
You have one of that already.
I know. That one I don't like.
Okay.
So what, 2 rows?
Yeah, we are done here, guys. Tapos na kami. And napabili tuloy kami ng mga jung jag. Oops. I'll go to the other side because andun siya. So, okay lang yan. Madadala ra. Tingnan nyo yung asawa ko. Hindi kinaklas yung ano. Asan yung... I need to open the thing. Tommy and I got a... You forgot there's something under? Hala!
Are you ready?
Ay, i-open natin itong binili namin na ano, kung okay ba siya. Kasi kapag wala yung mga laman, ibabalik natin siya. And the VR, and that's it, right? And the headset. Oh yeah, it's right here. Everything is here. Controller. It's on sale, guys. It's on sale. So, John. Bag para sa medisina. Hanger. Cat food again. They love this cat food, this kind. It's $5 lang ito, guys. Ilan ba ang nasa loob? 12 pouches, $5 lang ito. Gusto nila yan. And also, we got 3 of catnips, treats. Tatlo siyan. And because Halloween, kahit walang mga tao magpupunta dito, mga bata, kumuha pa rin kami ng mga candy. Crunch, different kind, butterfinger, you know, different kind of stuff. This one right here, makeup wipes. Kasi ang hirap magtanggal ng makeup. Tatlong bag, M&M's, Twix. Tommy's favorite, mosquitoes. 3 mosquitoes. What's in there? That means 3 mosquitoes is 3 different kind, right?
No.
What is it then? Excited sa box niya. Excited. It fit everything?
Yeah.
So now you're ready to go. Oh, this is a real one. Hun, it's a real one. It's not the one that you have. This is for... Hala, I have a really short nose.
Kuan na, kana Bluetooth na.
Oh, Bluetooth.
Lisod kayo mahal. Grabe to ko ano.
Look, she told me hand Bluetooth is not good.
Why is that?
She have one.
Yeah, what you need what?
This kind of controller. Berida. Ayan. And also, Tommy's right here. Beside me. Kailangan ko siyang i-return. I-return namin yan ni Tommy next week. Hindi pala pwede sa sa iOS. Color. What are you planning?
Let's see if there's any pears that are worth taking before they all fall to the ground. We're going to see if the pears are any good. They're all gone except for one tree.
Come here. And she want to join you, hon. Look, she's mad. Huh?
I don't know if he's any good.
Why? No, Harold said it's good. He said it's a good pear.
Why are all the rest of them gone and these are still here? Okay.
Roxy. Baby Rox. Roxy. Where's Misty? Come here, mates. Come. Hala, dada. Go get him. Go get him.
A lot of pears. I don't know.
Hmm?
There's a lot of pears.
Just pick up a good one. Huh? Why are you picking up a lot?
I don't know. What are you going to do? Wait for them all to fall?
Yeah, what the heck? The one over there, huh?
This one.
The one under there.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Put them all there.
You want to jump? You want to
I don't
fly?
like this one. Look at
Yeah, try it
it.
out.
Look at this one.
Pretty. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty is the tree. Yeah. Kailangan ko nang maglinis dito, guys. Tignan mo, ang daming hugaw. Hala, oy. Tignan mo, oh. Ay, naku, nabaliktad na naman. Animas, yun yung mga animas, oy. Hayop talaga, oy. Ay, kailangan na. Kailangan, ay, naku. Let me see where's Tommy. No more apple. Oh, this one, I found this when I was cleaning up. Maybe this is for the lawnmower. I don't know. Yeah, it's very...
Bye guys. I go in. The little man wants to come. He said, no, car? No. I don't do cars. He said, I'm not going to no car. I hate cars.
Alis na sila, guys.
You hate cars, don't you? Of course, you do the baby. You do the baby. Nobody wants you to
Be careful. Oh, he's looking up in there. Tommy like the chicken, guys. Chicken wings, adobo. He loves it. And we're gonna end this
I said
vlog.
pork adobo better.
You like the pork adobo better? Oh, you like a pork adobo. Sorry, next time I'm gonna keep cooking adobo. Next time. I know, I like when you like my cooking. We're going to end this video. I'm going to end the vlog, guys. Thank you so much. This is a white light, right? White or yellow? White?
But they don't make these anymore.
Yeah, I know.
So now we got different ones. But they make them all like regular balls or round. I like these sticks.
Yeah, I'm going to end this vlog, guys. Thank you all guys so much for watching, and bye.
Hi guys.
See you next time. Bye bye. Good night.